April 19 is the most important day in the life of this spectacular woman I call my best friend for life. She is a wonderful wife to Brigadier General Roderick Augustus Alba, a loving mother to two beautiful children, future doctor Abigail Alba, and future engineer Angel Alba. I'm talking about the one and only Mrs. Leilani Salem Alba. She is a woman who is not just very successful in her chosen career, but a woman with a Midas touch, because it seems that whatever she touches becomes gold. Happy birthday, dearest BFF Leilani. We love you, birthday girl. Cheers to more good years to come your way. God and Mama Mary love you so much.